We're here at SLE Equipment in Nashville, Tennessee. Have an 8.5 by 24 foot trailer, yellow in color. The 24-inch stone guard going all the way around the trailer. This unit has an interior height of 6'6". It's got two flip-ups on the passenger side of the trailer. 4 foot high, 8 feet long on those flip-ups. It's got a 19-foot awning. Exterior LED lights. It's also got a full rear ramp door. Atp Metal Flooring. Insulated walls and ceilings with aluminum mill finish on the walls. It's got 8 D-rings throughout the flooring. LED lighting inside with AC and heat. Some exterior outlets along the walls. It's got a 3-compartment sink with a hand wash sink and a side entry door. This trailer has two 5,200 pound axles with black Inlay mag wheels. It's got a 50-gallon waste tank underneath the trailer with a drain there. City water fill box to fill your tanks. 36-inch access door in the V-nose. Inside here, you got a 2.5 gallon water heater. 30-gallon fresh tank. 100 amp panel with a 25-foot long power cord. Once again, 8.5 by 24 foot trailer, yellow in color, at SLE Equipment in Nashville, Tennessee.